In April, David Wayland suspected impending layoffs at his company. Facing an uncertain future, he dedicated 3 hours every single day to the job hunt, turning his evenings into a highly stressful second shift. Like most job seekers, he relied on a volume-based strategy. He took his standard printed resume and mass submitted it to open positions, hoping sheer numbers would eventually generate a response. This animated diagram tracks the results of that initial effort. Out of 73 manual resume submissions, the massive output narrowed down to exactly 1 initial callback. To improve those odds, David introduced AI into his workflow. He manually copied job descriptions into a chat window, attached his resume, and asked the AI to rate his fit for the role. Over 2 weeks, this hybrid approach produced 18 targeted applications. Those applications resulted in 7 automated rejections and 0 interviews. Treating an AI like an advanced spell checker leaves the biggest bottleneck intact. The human user still has to manually read, copy, paste, and evaluate every single posting, making the pipeline painfully slow. To build a systemic approach, David first structured his inputs. He created 2 highly optimized base resumes, one specifically for individual contributor roles and another tailored for leadership positions. Next, he programmed strict rules for the AI. This animated funnel visualizes the 4 parameters: minimum salary, specific travel radius, posted within 24 hours, and under 100 applicants. Finally, the AI scored surviving jobs 1 to 10, allowing only a 6 or higher to pass. Running this structured filtering process for 3 weeks yielded 55 applications and 1 callback. The filter worked, but David was caught in a trap. The AI identified the right jobs, yet David still had to manually tailor every resume, write every cover letter, and submit the paperwork himself. The system was unscalable. To solve the execution problem, David removed himself from the driver's seat. He took his criteria and wired it into a scheduled script using Claude. Every morning at exactly 9 a.m., the script woke up. Without any human prompting, it autonomously scraped job boards, evaluated local companies, and scored the available listings against his strict parameters. For every single job that cleared the threshold, the system independently generated a custom-tailored resume and a specific cover letter perfectly aligned with the open role. This diagram shows how the script solved a critical unseen problem: applicant tracking systems. It actively scanned David's documents, identifying and wiping out hidden Unicode characters that humans can't see but cause automated parsing software to instantly reject a resume. With the heavy lifting automated, David's daily job hunt shrank to a 10-minute administrative check. He simply clicked the links the AI provided, verified the job was still active, and submitted the application. By fully automating the pipeline, David transitioned from performing manual data entry to acting as an executive supervisor, overseeing a system that worked for him. After running this autonomous pipeline for 6 weeks, the script had identified and applied to 47 highly targeted jobs. This comparative bar chart illustrates the final return on investment. Compared to the single callback from his original 73 manual submissions, the automated pipeline secured 7 initial interviews and resulted in 1 accepted job offer. The daily time commitment dropped from 3 hours of high-stress labor down to 10 minutes of calm review. The data reveals a surprising reality about this approach. The fully automated system actually submitted fewer total applications than David's original manual method. When applied to the job market, AI acts as a hyper-filter that scales precision. By aggressively narrowing the field, it proves that applying to a smaller pool of high-quality, targeted jobs yields a far higher success rate. If you want to optimize your own search, hit like, share this video, and subscribe to help others. For more tools and expert coaching to accelerate your career, visit JobSearch.Community and explore Jeff Altman's coaching resources.